Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Yesterday we analyzed the market a bit differently. First we spoke about news, later we started analyzing the market. Same way I'm going to do this because many people in the comment section and personally they had sent me a message saying that news based updates is very helpful for them. Same way we are going to start. First thing, we'll see what happened in the market. Nifty opened with gap down below 25,000. Definitely this would have created panic for people who thought if market gives a breakout we can capture a decent movement. At the same time, in Bank Nifty also, many people would have been interested to look for a call option trade above 52,000 psychological level. So market, when it opened with gap down, it would have created panic for a lot of people. But quickly what happened, market started to move towards the upside. When Nifty and Bank Nifty moved towards the upside, many people confidence would have been boosted because Nifty went above 25,000. So this can act as strong support. Let's plan for a call option trade. But quickly what happened, Nifty reversed, hit their stop loss. In Bank Nifty also, a small breakout, a quick correction towards the downside. To a certain extent, we can say today's market was a roller coaster ride. Now, let's discuss about important news for today. Nifty, as we know, it fell down by 86 points and Sensex also was down by 318 points. Now, if you see sectorial performance, auto and IT were a bit draggers in the market today, each falling over 1%. Meanwhile, financial services, reality sector. Now, these indices were gainers up to 0.5%. Now, major losers were Rent, Mahindra and Mahindra, Infosys, Hero MotoCorp, Adani Ports all saw a decline with losing around 3.6% around. Auto sectors are not performing that well as of now. And also negative sentiment is there around IT industries. So because they're not giving the gains as per market expectation. Now, if you see in the top gainers side, HDFC Life Insurance, HDFC Bank, Dr. Reddy, Grasim and Bajaj Auto were among few of the top gainers and all gained around 1.7 to 1.8%. Now, yesterday when we recorded the video, we did not have institution activity, right? Yesterday, foreign institutional investors, they sold for around 1,750 crores. They tried to hold the market by purchasing for 1,650 crores. Now, today morning also when market fell like this, definitely DIIs would have participated and they would have tried to lift the market, but FIIs would have started selling. Now, I feel this is one of the main reason why the market fell. As of now, we have not got the FII DII data. Later point of day only we will get. So we'll look into that. According to me, FIIs might be net sellers even today. Continuously throughout this month, they are selling in the market. Many times I have discussed China market is more attractive. Indian market to a certain extent, they are feeling it is overvalued. Now, if you speak about the current market sentiment to a certain extent, market sentiment is volatile and slightly bearish. Why I say this is because people are not expecting companies to give very good results. So when there is a downgrade in earnings, definitely market when it is overvalued they will try to bring it down. Now if you see Nifty technically move towards the downside, went up again, I feel 24,900 can be the next strong support for Nifty. Or below this level, if Nifty goes, it can create more pressure and momentum towards the downside can continue. Now if you see what can be the resistance for Nifty, the resistance can be now 25,000. Previously this zone, right, this zone what you see here, previously it was continuously acting as support for Nifty, right? Once this is broken, now 25,000 people are trying to push Nifty towards the downside. There's the first attempt in recent times where Nifty has closed below 25,000. So this can create some kind of negative impact. Now in Bank Nifty's point of view, we can see this zone, right? Today's support can act as the next strong support in the market. Expectation is as long as the market is making a momentum like this, option buyers it would be very difficult. For option buyers, you might have two opportunities where you can draw a trend line. As long as market is staying below this range, it is better that you avoid any kind of call option trades in the market. Here you can see this is a price action pattern where continuously market is moving towards the downside. At some point of time, if market breaks this level, right, makes a momentum like this, let's say you draw a trend line. So after this range, if market comes out of this zone, retest, gives a breakout, then with small stop loss, we can be looking for call option trade. But if it goes below this level, I think focus should be shifted to bearishness. Already market is in downtrend, so the trend can continue. Now in Nifty's case also 24,900 is the next crucial support. If Nifty holds on to this range and gives a breakdown, then the downtrend can continue because the sellers who entered the market here during this reversal, they would have exited. Price selling has started in the market is moving towards the downside. From this zone itself, if Nifty corrects, again from here, if you're getting any bearish sentiment, put option side movement is something that we can expect. Just the technical analysis which we have done right now for Nifty and Bank Nifty is based on the data which I have right now. Tomorrow morning, the view can change, right? That is why I would suggest you to join our free Telegram channel by scanning this QR code. During the pre-market report, if the market sentiment changes based on the global data, we will be sharing additional support and resistance details with you, which you can use during the live market. Now, it's very important that we need to have a trading plan before we enter the market. But after the market opens, the plans can change. You see, I did not expect Nifty and Bank Nifty to open with a big gap down like this. That time what happens? Our setup for the day changes. That is why during the live market, we'll patiently wait, look for a setup. Based on the setup, we will plan our trade. Now you see in today's case, we discussed about important support and resistance level both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Later point of day, I'd shared this view. In Bank Nifty, expectation was at the upper level. If Bank Nifty continues, we'll be looking for call, or else at the upper zone itself, we'll be looking for bearish setup where near our resistance area. In Nifty's case also, at the current zone, Nifty is moving up, but there is no price action setup available. What was the plan? Plan was to wait until Nifty go to that resistance. From there, when Nifty falls, we'll look for opportunity. Now, if you see here, this was the plan, right? Bearish movement, Bank Nifty also. I've clearly shared this update saying that with small stop loss, we can consider a put option trade based on the pressure that we see from call option writers. We got a decent momentum towards the downside and we had discussed about the exit points. Let me show that to you. You can see here, I said Nifty will come to the support, correct? Bank Nifty from this zone, it will correct. So based on that itself, Nifty corrected, later Bank Nifty also corrected, and I could observe after 2 p.m. Nifty continued the trend. But of course, I don't look at the market after 2 p.m. I avoided this. Also, when Bank Nifty was at this zone, somewhere around 120, 130 itself, I had shared one update saying that I don't trust this breakout in Nifty and no trust in this breakout in Bank Nifty also. And I had also said, can't expect bigger move. If you are holding call, please be careful. During the live market like this, view keeps changing. Not necessary that all the time the view will be correct, but we will try our best to identify important levels and share that with you. Traders, I hope from this only you have understood that we come to the market with a plan, but if the market dynamic change, then we should also change our plan. Now, what can be the market outlook for upcoming days? What analysts are saying is we need to be approaching the market in a cautious way because our raw materials, all those things, demand has increased. If demand increase, then price also will increase. So when the company comes out with final product, they cannot more profits. Because of that, earning expansion would be a bit difficult. Today, we could also see IT sector facing a downtrend with companies like Infosys experiencing noticeable losses. Or despite overall market decline, the financial service sector managed to post gains driven by stocks like HDFC Bank. Now, apart from this, you can see oil marketing companies has performed well. Yesterday, Reliance nicely they moved it towards the downside. Now oil price increased. Because of that, Reliance stock also went towards the upside. Please understand, whenever oil price drops, it will be difficult for Reliance Industry. Whenever oil price goes up, it will be beneficial because they take Brent crude as the raw material, refine it and export it, right? For them, that is the main business. That's how they make money. Now to summarize today's video, how do we look at the market? The future outlook will be we need to continuously monitor the institutional activities. That is very crucial as they significantly influence the trend and investor sentiment. So for us in intraday basis, today was a good day. Hopefully tomorrow in Nifty expiry also we can capture some decent move. So if you have not joined the free Telegram channel, you can scan the QR code to join. The link will be provided in the description box below. I'll be more than happy to listen to your constructive feedback. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.